People, what is happening? Welcome back to Random Videos. So, if you're watching this now thinking, what the hell is going on? So, all I'm going to say now is, this is either going to be a mini mistake or a big mistake. So, without further ado, let's slap the helmet on, let's slap the gloves on. You haven't even saw it yet. I bought a little bike. I will be doing a couple of videos on it if any of you lot are bikers and you actually want to see. So, yeah, without further ado, let's get the gear on. Right, guys, so this is the little beast. The little Honda Grom, oy oy, and she's a ripper. That's her, she's a little beast to be fair, little cheeky 125. So after an hour, the 125, maxing it out at 60, we've arrived to see this little beast, and you know what? She's a little number, you know, so I'm just going to give you a little walk around and show you actually what's wrong with the car. I don't know what to make of it. I don't know if it would be repairable or you'd have to cut it out and swap it over. So yeah, let's give you a little brief walk over, so let's go. Right, and so as you can see, she's been in a bit of a front end impact, so from what we can see so far, so we got like, this looks like a secondary oil cooler or coolant cooler, which doesn't look too bad. We've got our little aluminium subframe, which just saw better days, but it does look pretty straight from there. So it looks like bolt on, bolt off. Intercoolers took a bit of a slap, but really this bit don't look too bad. Obviously, I don't know if the headlights have saved it. I think the headlights might be dead. So we got that bit there, windscreen preferably needed. We come over to this side, this is a bit more, add a bit more of a kiss, should we say. So I'm not too sure what it's hit. They've took the wing off, which is good. Lift it off carbon, at least the carbon's saved. So yeah, it does look nice, man. It is a really nice motor. So here is El Problemo. So as you can see, it has twisted in, so it does look like this was coming that way anyway, but as you can see, it has tore there, which I don't think, see, like the mounting bits there are still like spot on, to be fair, and then this, none of this seems to have like kinked or anything, so it doesn't look that, when you look at that side, like I say, it's coming that way anyway, and then I think it just genuinely just needs popping back out. And then we got some nice Bowler alloys with some pretty much new Michelins. Oh, it's such a shame, man. Carbon, pan roof, carbon. I think it's got a little exhaust on it and maybe a map, but yeah, what do you think, guys? Man, automatic as well?
Yeah.
So I'm giving the bike 5 minutes to cool down. I feel like I don't know if I'm emotionally in it, because I do genuinely like it, the car. I've never been like mad for the minis like crazy as the owning one. I've been out in them and they're cool, but I really do like it, you know, and I'm going to go back. Obviously you lot are going to see it, and then we'll make the decision, do we go for it, do we not? As I said, I'm not doing this to make loads of money, I'm not doing this to like try and do stuff, but as long as I can get my money back, if I can fix it and it doesn't cost me a penny when I come to sell it, then I'm happy. So yeah, guys, let me know what you think. I'm letting the bike cool down because I've literally just done 80 miles on it. So there will be a video on the little Grom. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this one. It's a bit short, but like I said, I wanted to bring you along the journey, and yeah. So this is gonna make you laugh, yeah. This bike is so good on fuel. Like, we got what? We've got 2 bars now, I think. We've done 103 miles. You watch. How much do you reckon it's gonna cost to fill this up? So you ready? Shell V-Power. You know the drill. How much do you reckon? Place your bets now in the comments. Oh man, I love this thing. So a full tank of V-Power. So I've done 101, 110 miles, and it's cost me to do 105 miles, for example. Oh, do you know what? It's not the fastest thing. It's not the most comfortable thing. It's absolutely tiny. Yeah, it's a tiny little bike, but I love it. Genuinely, like, I've had someone take the piss out of me the other day. Like, he was going like this. He was on a pedal bike, and he was like doing that to say like, "You're on a tiny little bike." And literally, I just went wanker. I'm enjoying it. The only thing I'd say is it's not about power, but if it had a bit more grunt, like I'm on dual carriageways now doing like 60 mile an hour, and honestly it's struggling. But if it had a bit more give, like imagine if it was like a 200cc or a 300cc, and it could handle it a bit better. Mate, honestly, this bike could be the dream. So if we do get a full bike licence, you might see this turn into 300cc, maybe, because to ride it's unbelievable. I love it. Cheap on fuel, makes me smile. I'm not even going fast, like I'm using all of that 9 brake horsepower, and I love it. So there will be videos coming soon on that. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this one. I'll speak to you soon. Peace.